There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. That'd give you a headache. Come on.
What makes this devastation particularly sobering is that on a quiet country road, the accident might not be discovered for quite some time, and it would take the emergency services longer to get there.
Well, the door still opens. That's amazing. I really wasn't expecting that. The pedals have moved, and it looks like his left leg will be fairly badly damaged because there's been a knockback through the pedals, and there's some intrusion again in the footwell.
Although the interior doesn't look too bad, this car has decelerated from 55 miles an hour to 0 in just over a metre, enough to cause massive trauma to your internal organs. But to really get a sense of the energies involved, you have to look at the front of the car.
Look, that's one corner of the bumper. That's the other corner. They've almost met. You can touch them together. The car's wrapped round the tree.
Indeed, the aerial view shows the energy dissipating, rippling the solid metal bodywork as it goes. Given the vast majority of cars on our roads don't have a 5-star safety rating, the results of similar crashes are often even more horrific.